Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to cold start both these bikes. They're both dual piston, like inline twins. This is a Yamaha R3 with a 321cc engine. This is a Benelli BN302 with a 300cc. Now I have never done a check, and this is my fan because I'm starting the bikes inside the house. I've never actually done a sound check between the two of these bikes, so it will be my first time doing a sound check between them. Let's hear the Benelli first. This is a cold start. The engine is not even hot. Alright, so the Benelli is on. Cold start. Because it's old, it's 2017. Alright, that was the Benelli. Now the R3. Why it sounds kind of different? This is cold start on the R3. With, of course, just that. I don't know why the R3 sounds different than the Benelli, because both of them are inline twin, but I don't know the configuration between them. Kind of sound the same. But anyways, that's just for fun. Benelli BN302 2017, the Yamaha R3 2021. Yeah, engine check.